This is Mr. Smith 2 years ago. And this is Mr. Smith today. He's the manager of a food company. In the past, things were not as good as they are today. Back then, one department wouldn't know what the other one was doing, and Mr. Smith could not keep track. He needed an all-embracing turnkey software suite. So he sought advice from the industry specialist CSB-System, who offers everything from a single source: software, hardware, services, business consulting. Today, all departments at Mr. Smith's company work with a single software. From purchasing to production, inventory, dispatch, and accounting and finances. With his factory ERP, Mr. Smith now has the full overview, and all departments are connected with each other in real time. And at the press of a button, Mr. Smith can see how much money he's earned with his new meatless sausages. What's particularly important is that Mr. Smith is now able to accurately trace everything. CSB Traceability is the best traceability solution on the market. For example, if there's a quality problem, you can trace every single product back to its origin. Mr. Smith is now looking forward to the day when he can use his software to look into the refrigerators of his customers to see whether his meatless sausages have been eaten up. Then he would be able to respond very quickly. This is why Mr. Smith is so satisfied. Thanks to the solution from CSB-System, his business is operating much more profitably, and he's all set for the future. By the way, the CSB-System is modular and scalable, and also available as a cloud version. As an industry-specific turnkey solution, the CSB-System provides the functions of the Group ERP, Factory ERP, and MES, supports industry-specific processes for food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and cosmetics, supplies best practices for traceability, quality management, recipe optimization, and much, much more. CSB-System, programmed for your success.